The Little Green Alien, Season 4, Sequel 6. This is the 7th development stage, development of artificial intelligent agent societies. And its focus is on integrating. And what is integrated? Mainly the different perspectives. The earlier stages, maybe the red stage, was just focusing on the white box view, just looking at the subjective view on the world. The second stage, the blue stage, was about the white box to white box relationship. Just imagine I'm a white box, the other is a white box. The third stage, the orange stage, was about the black box approach, just looking from outside and seeing objects as a black box. And the fourth stage, the green stage, was about the relationship between black box objects. And the special thing here now is, in this stage, you value all perspectives. You can take them, you can hold them, you see the value of each of it. Each of it is partial, but each of it has a value to add, and you can deal with all the perspectives. So it's all about perspectives. So when the beige and purple were AI agents with more or less out of a core idea or a kind of self, and then the last 4 stages were about AI agents who have a core idea, a core identity, a self. And now from this level on, they have kind of a system or an approach or an algorithm and not one single perspective or idea. And the consequence of that is algorithms will be multi-perspective. So all the processes and all the algorithms will try to consider all perspectives, many perspectives. Data and facts and knowledge are multi-perspective. All the learning approaches like simulations are multi-perspective and always offering several perspectives. There's a big value of experimenting and trying things out, to be just experimental and not trying to know everything in advance. And errors are very much a cultural accepted thing, because you can only learn stuff by errors. And you will balance between knowing and not knowing. So if you look at one of these agents, what is the difference to an earlier level agent? Yeah, they see parts, but they focus on the whole. The whole is more important than the parts. They see linear development, but they focus on circular development. They see silos, but they focus on emerging phenomena, things emerging from complex situations. They see single things, but they see them as networks. They see objects as a static thing, as a structure, but they focus on the process. They see hierarchies, stable hierarchies, but they focus on network or meshworks. They see agency in single AIs, but they focus on the whole system as an agency. They see that things can be broken and repaired by somebody, but they focus on self-repair. They see separate objects, but they focus on the relationship. And they make sure that the evolutionary mechanisms that led through all these developments from the first cells to the first early animals, the mammals, then to the humans, and then to the artificial intelligent agents, that these mechanisms are still intact to ensure permanent improvement. And this overall society here, yeah, it has these principles, and its relationship to others, other societies, other agents, is to try to integrate them. Like they all try to integrate everything. So lifelong learning and permanent learning is an essential feature. A high flexibility to situations and to be able to get things the way they want is a feature. Then the integration between different systems, between technical systems, social systems, and ecological systems. And if they see that there are long-term developments, that there is a chance for an exponential development, they will immediately interfere. Overall, this is a self-referential, highly dynamic society. And this is the 7th level of the society development of AIs.